Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. Today's tip: you're hacked. What do? So think fast. Are you not sure what you should do? Well, I'm going to give you some options and things you need to do immediately. Number one, shut down your computer and disconnect it from the internet. If you're not on the internet, hackers that are trying to get into you remotely can't get to you. You have to be on the internet. The next thing you need to do is immediately call your tech support company. It's very, very important you call us right away. If you have ransomware and you can shut down that computer, there's a good chance you won't lose anything. If you get ransomware and you leave it up, like we had one customer do, it infected their whole network and they were down for a day and a half. Very, very important. If you see something that's not right, call us, let us know what's going on. Very, very important. Do not ignore messages that pop up at you. Call and have them checked out. Malware brings in one, it brings in two, and it doubles and triples, and before you know it, you're going to have a ton of malware on your system and it's going to be crawling. Adware does the same thing. It goes out and finds more adware to bring in. They track you now. The bad guys can track you and they'll know your IP address. So very, very important that as soon as you see or suspect something going on, you get it taken care of immediately. Very important. Please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendations for social gathering. Stay safe out there.